How to use LinkedIn Learning for skill development. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in linkedin.com and get logged into your LinkedIn account. Now, in order to learn something from LinkedIn in order to enhance your skills, all you have to do is click on the search bar and type in the course that you would like to learn. For instance, I'm typing Adobe Courses. Once done, click on to enter. And under courses, you will see all the courses that is related to the keyword that you typed. Let's go ahead and click onto the first link. Now it says that this course has been unlocked
Creative
for
Vision.
24 hours. So go ahead and click onto any one that you would like. If you'd like to learn digital marketing, you can type in digital marketing courses at the search bar. That way, go onto the courses section, and that is how you can learn skills from LinkedIn for your skills development. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.